Hey everyone, welcome back to my chatty, sassy channel here on YouTube where we talk about all things luxury, be it luxury travel, luxury fashion, or life's luxuries in general. I apologize for not posting my normal video on Tuesday about YSL brand history. That had some technical issues with it, so I'm having to refilm it. But for today, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what fits inside of my YSL Le Fermoir top handle bag. Now, my bag is in the Lizard. This is what I unboxed just last week, and I have now carried this bag a couple of different times. So I'm gonna give you my first impressions, show you what fits, and hopefully this will be helpful for you guys if you have been considering this bag, whether it be in an exotic finish or in the regular leather options that they offer. So first impressions, one of the things that I really appreciate about this bag is that it is very balanced. So yes, the bag does have feet on the bottom, but the bag itself is very, very balanced. It's structured to the point that I don't have to worry about putting an organizer in it. I will still stuff it when I store it, but overall it's maintaining its structure really, really well. Another thing that is really nice is that it has an adjustable crossbody strap. For me, I'm able to wear this easily crossbody or on the shoulder as well as top handle. I've carried it on the shoulder and crossbody so far. I have not carried it top handle, but I could easily do that. The other thing to note about using this bag is that I pointed out in my video that you can unsnap it to open the bag up all the way. I have not felt the need to do that at all when using this bag for the past couple of days that I have. The other thing is that this flip that comes down with this, I'm actually able to get into this bag and use it one-handed. So I can have my phone here in my left hand, the bag on me crossbody, and I'm able to reach in, undo this, slip in, get what I need, and then still, while I'm walking, be able to refasten it with one hand. And I think that that is a really great function because a lot of times with top handle bags like this that have the flap and the top handle, they can be a bit fussy to get in and out of, but this one is not. And so I think that that is a really, really big plus in its favor. But now that I've told you guys a little bit about using it and finding it to be really functional, let me show you just how much can fit into this bag. So I wanted to start off from the back of the bag really quick, just to show that this back pocket in the back does hold a cell phone. Now, notice that it does stick out a bit, so I actually probably won't really use this back pocket at all unless I'm just wanting to have very quick and easy access to my cell phone. But a cell phone, a regular size cell phone, does fit. Now, when we turn the bag around, I'm going to go ahead and set my cell phone down inside of the bag, and then I'm going to add in what I normally carry, which is my Calvi, my YSL card holder, my Bastia, my pin, my keys, my sunglasses. That is what I would normally carry. There is a ton of space in this bag, huge amount still. So I'm going to put in my compact, my lipstick, my AirPods, and my passport holder, and my bag hook. But after rearranging everything, there's still room for more stuff. Like I could easily fit a pack of tissues, or perhaps maybe even a mini pochette in here, even with everything that I already have in this bag. Now, if I, instead of taking the card holder, wished to put in a small wallet, that still fits in there as well. And the bag closes nicely. Now, I will say that has added quite a bit of weight to this bag, but it does still close really well, and I have seen no issues with this little snap coming undone. Now, if I took out my passport and my small wallet, put back in my card holder, I do actually have enough room in this, I think, that I will be able to fit a notebook or a small book in here. I can. And once again, that still closes, and there was still definitely enough room to put something like a pack of tissues in there as well. So this bag will definitely hold all of your essentials and then some. So if you're looking for a bag that is on the smaller side but still will hold a lot and be very well organized, I think that this is a really, really great bag. I have seen it in both the black and the green smooth leather now. Well, personally, I think that like nothing beats my lizard finish on this bag, but if you are wanting to go with just the smooth leather option, the green I think is really, really beautiful in it. I don't prefer the black as much, but I do think that if you are looking for a neutral colored top handle bag that's going to be very quiet luxury, this is definitely the way to go. So I hope that you have found this helpful, seeing just how much fits inside this bag. And I hope that you have a great rest of your day, everyone. Bye!